This tree here is the hornbeam, the American hornbeam. This is what I'm making the pipe out of. It's also called musselwood, and I don't know if you can see. If you look closely at the trunk, it looks like mussels rippling, and so sometimes the locals call it musselwood, and it can also be called ironwood because it's very dense, and apparently it doesn't float, it sinks. I guess I'm going to have to try a piece at some point and see if that's true. But there was a big limb hanging over the driveway and my husband cut it down, and that's what I'm making the pipe from. This is the limb that he cut, and if you look closely you can see what looks like mussels. I can see another potential pipe right here. This is kind of what you want for a pipe, though this little piece here isn't quite big enough. I didn't take any video of the piece that I did use, so I just want to show what to look for if you decide to make one yourself. And this is a piece that I just cut. It's the same wood from the same limb. I don't know about this seam here, how it's going to look, how it's going to carve, but we'll see. So that's another potential pipe. You have to do some nifty moves with your fingers in order not to get cut when you're working on this tight bit here. I decided to round the bottom of it. It's not a particularly nice piece of wood, there's nothing special about it, so I may try putting it in the oven and ebonizing it. I've never done that before, so it'll be an experiment. Okay, I've been going up steadily in bit sizes. I think this is about as big as I'm going to go, and then I'm going to get in there with the spoon knife. Actually, this is working pretty well. This is oh, I thought I knew what it was. Hold on. Beavercraft. This is a Beavercraft curved knife. It works pretty good. The last pipe I made for this person, he said he would have liked the bottom of the pipe to be a little bit wider instead of it going down to like a cone shape. So I'm going to try to widen it out inside. I don't want to go too narrow around the rim, but I'll see if I can make it wider on the bottom. It seems to be thicker on this side. It's coming out pretty good. I thought it was going to be extremely difficult to carve, but it hasn't been too bad at all. So I guess in future I'll use wood that's fairly dry. This limb was cut in October and it's now April, so it's about 6 months, and it isn't rock hard, but it isn't green anymore. And I thought that was going to be a problem, but it's not. So I might be able to, rooster, I might be able to make more of these, because I was having trouble with the wood splitting when I was making them from green wood.